What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your ASUS uh, black screen even when the PC is turned on. So first, you need to plug in your laptop to charging, and if the problem still persists, then you just need to press the function and F5 key and then increase the brightness because maybe the brightness has been turned so low that it appears black. So you can just press the function F5 and increase the brightness of your laptop. But if the issue still persists, you just need to reset your graphic drivers. So to reset your graphic drivers, you can just simply press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B, and then your graphics drivers will get resetted, and then the screen will blink and start or restart again. But if the issue still persists, you just need to force turn off your laptop by just long pressing the power button, and after that, before turning on, just remove all the peripherals that are connected to your computer, like your computer's or laptop's charger or any other port that you have connected externally. Just remove those and then press and hold the power button for 40 seconds. This will remove the excessive power, and then it will start your computer or it will start your ASUS laptop. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.